Hey.
And why would you create a new quote when it's right there? It actually did you want to, but if you read it, it's the same shit that you already had, but you made it more harder.
Yeah, but then when I went to press next, it won't let me press
Well,
next.
I
It
don't know.
says
I
that
haven't pressed that shit.
the quite is expired.
Which one you trying to get? The six? You trying to get? Which one you trying to get, homie? You got several ones right here. You got that one right here. C square foot 629. I, I, you want deposit expires on me.
You back up.
Which one we looking at? That's the bigger one. Which one are you qualifying for with that price that she told you? Did she tell you anything about square foot? I mean, which one?
No, about that.
Because I'm noticing that's 7 4. Let's just do the application, please. The application. So, all right. Application. We'll select that. I need to look back at yours. This shit is not right. Applicant. Okay. That info.
Excuse me.
Really? About damn time. Who you talking? I know you ain't talking to you, right?
I'm not talking to anybody.
What you holding the phone for like that one?
Making a video.
You ain't asked the right question. You talk to him.
Yes, I did.
The right questions would have been this right here. Okay, I am looking at your apartments online. It's saying that you currently have, I don't know, fucking 9 of them available, like it says right here. Okay, for that price that you are giving me, I know you already done said if I pay for such and such before such and such date, I get it for such and such price. Now, okay, which ones are those are you talking about? That way, when I get on here, I know that that one is available. But you called and talked to her today, right?
Yes.
And she said that was available, right? Or did you not ask? Or are you assuming? Which one is it? I need to know.
She said it is available.
That's all I need to know. I don't know which one. I mean, gotta ask the right question. Is there any specific floor plan that you're looking at right here? Okay, this right here will be the most least expensive right here. Okay, it varies by price by square foot right here. Okay, these are the floor plan. This is what I mean by floor plan. Is there any particular one or it don't matter?
It don't matter.
Okay, that's all I need to know. Is it 3-story high or 2-story high? Or you don't know? Simple as that.
I don't remember.